Welcome to Option Center's 527.21 after the bell on Thursday. Welcome everybody. Hey, before we get started, the option guys, we've been killing it in the room. It's a free Discord. We've been knocking trades here and there, out of the ballpark. Just wonderful collaboration in there. Join us, and you know what? If you're in the group, if you're members, message me and put out those chart requests, and I'll start throwing them in these videos. So if you're getting this, chart request. All right. If you're brand new, go down to the bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. We're going to run through these names really fast. First, SPX on the daily. Trend is our friend. We are working on either wave 4. Nothing has changed. This whole week has not changed a thing. We are feeling really bullish because we're over the 8 MA and all the other MAs, but this still is a possibility of a wave 1. 2, so this this ABC up would be wave 2, and then we start our descent. For the bulls, this is a wave 4, 1, 2, and working on wave 3. Okay, so either way, we're gonna keep an eye out for either a dip or much lower. So either way, we want to start to mellow out on some of our trades, just be a little bit more cautious. We're not moving anywhere. We're moving sideways on the daily. So we have about 3 days in a row on the same range. And so let's see if we can break above that range and consider this a wave 4 on the lower time frame. We'll check it out. Okay, trying to cross over on the MACD. RSI right in the middle. We're still bullish to neutral on that. So let's go through some of these names, and then we'll end off with ES and the options expected move. All right, Abnb on fire today. Here we go. Big candle up to the upside. I told you we were getting real tight in there, and we decided to break out right below the, look at that volume, right below the 20 MA. So I do expect a little bit of resistance there tomorrow if we maybe a pause candle, and then hopefully to much higher highs. This thing can run, you guys, for 3, 4, 5 days in a row. We also have this gap way up at 170. In the next couple of weeks, I expect to see that up top there. So we had this huge ABC, and it looks like we're working on a new wave, 5-wave up. AMD still looks bullish to me. I got shaken out a little bit earlier there, but it looks like we have an ascending triangle. We broke down a little bit, came to the 8 MA today. Still, volume's a little bit low, but we need to get over this 78.62, and if we get over this this area right here, we do have the 50, but I'll definitely be looking to go long again on AMD. Baba. Oh, that's not Baba. But that is. Okay, we had our ABC correction also. So a lot of these names are in the dumps. We're starting to get fresh new wave counts. Looks like we have a 1-2, and let's see if we can get a 1-2-1-2 or something like that. We are over we close right on the 8 MA. This is a huge floor here, so I do expect to lift ourselves off the mat and start moving here soon on Baba. We are in some plays for next week. Don't forget, we next week is Memorial Day on Monday, so we have a shortened week, Tuesday through Friday. Coin has been generous to us. Okay, we had a reversal here. This looks like it could be an ABC or a 1, 2, 3 wave move up. If we're leaning on the 1, 2, 3. We are pushing off of that 8 MA. We came back down to it yesterday, pushed off it today. Now we have an inside day. So definitely I threw in a lotto for tomorrow, right at the money. So I do expect to pop out of this. Maybe it'd be fabulous. You got some resistance here. We'll probably take off our calls pretty quick because we are in calls for next week as well. But I want to see a move out of this range. Looks like two 249 area, right into the gap resistance. Start filling that out. And if we peek our head above this downtrend line, looking for blue skies. Our first target would be 273, the 618 extension. Trying to cross over on the MACD there. Coin looking really good to us. AMC. This is a spaceship. Okay. I did not get in this name. But lots of people in our group did. Amazing job there calling that out. Oh gosh, that's insane. Insane moves. Fubo, we did get out of this yesterday, coming out of the falling wedge. We have a 1, 2, 1, 2, and working on wave 3. We took our trade off here at the 200, saw some resistance there, but had nice gains and just a great follow through today. So if you held on to Fubo, good for you. Nice work. Facebook's been leading the FANG stocks. I don't know. We're calling these many different things. FANG, I hear so many different names. The big tech, it's been leading. So had a wave 4 complete, possible wave 4 completion. And this should be a 1, 2, 3, working on wave 3. And this wave 3 possibility, it ends tomorrow. I know one of our traders don't want to hear that in the members group, but look for that 334 for a little bit of resistance at least there. That's the extension. I just did that. So check it out. And then possibly a wave 4 sideways to up for Facebook. Mara, we've been playing this one off the mat, it's starting to pull up. We had this downtrend line just getting over. We're at the 20 MA, gave some resistance. We still want to see it to go up a little bit more to about that 28 area. So looking for a little bit more on Mara. That's still, more than 10. It's about 12% from here. These names with low numbers are just moving the volatility insane. So looking for a little more upside, but we got to get past that 20 MA. Riot looks the same. It's virtually the same concept. We had our huge ABC correction, and we're right at the downtrend line and the 20 MA as well. Gave some resistance there. We're gonna have to see Bitcoin move pretty hard in order to see these names go on. So Tsla just getting past that 20 MA. Same thing when it come up to it. It stopped it in its tracks, but next day gap over it. And go, hopefully we can do the same thing with some of those names that we're in with Mara. And if you're in Riot still, that'd be a great thing for the bulls, just to gap up over resistance. All right, let's check out Bitcoin since we mentioned it. Bitcoin, let me go on to the bigger time frame. Okay, we have our alerts set, but rejected off the 8 MA, inside day. We're in a range, possibly coiling up for energy to move to the upside. We get past this 8 MA and we're going to move quick, probably to 47, 48,000 really fast. We don't have any real resistance until that area coming up. So we'll draw in some resistance there later on. Okay, thanks for joining us here, guys. Don't want these videos to go past 10 minutes. Good. Okay. Join us in The Option Guys. The link will be down in the description. Check it out, and then you can throw in some trade ideas if you're part of our membership there for these videos. Okay, thanks for joining us here. We will talk to you in the morning.